No, we basically gonna be swimming with the fishes. Or just one car with no fishes.
There's no fishes. And they got the little mist coming up there. This is so nice. It's so nice, y'all.
Yeah, I want to see what's in here real quick. I just supposed to go in here.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, mama, that. Oh my god. But we can try. This is where the water leaks from. See how that water flows? No, but I don't know what that is. It's scary. It's having. So I'll go this way.
I don't want to go too far from the take a picture by the waterfall.
I want to see what's over there. Are you supposed to be walking through here?
Yeah, what is?
No, you can't. No, you can't. It's too
far.
It's too foggy. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's dry ice. They say dry ice take your hand off if you put your hand in. Yeah. But anyway, I don't think we can go through there. You see how foggy that is? You can't go through there.
Oh.
That's way too foggy.
Oh.
Alright, wait. Are we supposed to follow the floor? That's why it's right there?
Yeah, but we can take pictures right quick.
Kids in here. Come on. Let me give you.
We gotta snap up some photos. Hold on, y'all. Yeah. Let's take turn around.
Mom. On YouTube it says you can come over here.
Yeah.
I'm scared of frogs or something just gonna jump on me. That's just a big frog. Man, it's too foggy. Mom, you can't even see nothing.
Okay. Oh my
Mom, if you fall in
goodness.
the water, I'm blaming you.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. I'm getting scared. Dinosaur egg.
You just pranking me on. Okay, I really want to put my hand in that, but they said that's dried ice, and dried ice can take your hand off. And I don't got time for my hand to be coming off. You got time off? I don't. Woo, we made it to the ice. That's like 6 bad cords. Now, come on. Now we made it to this
Whoa.
course right here.
That was amazing.
Oh, that's what you saw on the thing. That's what you saw on the TikTok. Remember?
Yeah.
I got my hair wet. That water drip.
Take a picture in there.
And I'm gonna go through that.
It's slippery. Ooh.
It's slippery, ain't it?
Ooh, mama a little heavy. Ooh. Mama a little too heavy. Oh my goodness.
I think that might be the water we can get in. Right? I honestly want to explore, but at the same time, I want to actually get in the water.
Y'all, this is amazing.
Oh my Lord.
Look at the waterfall. This is amazing.
And y'all, if y'all didn't see, I got my new Crocs on. Been dirty. Yeah, you know, come on. Well, I think we go this way. Cause that's that exit, so we don't need to go.
So we have to follow the,
Arrow.
yeah, the arrow.
Down this hill that was slippery. Nope. It ain't slippery. That was by the arrow. Go by the arrow. This way.
Don't you see the greenery?
No.
Shoot.
I understand what you mean.
Child.
Because yummy.
I don't know about that.
Taking all the carrots. He had 3 carrots already. Shoot.
He's scared. The other one's running. They're a little scared.
Yeah, I fed that one.
Let me
This
see
is a poop? I think it's a poop.
Let's see this little baby that's running. Where he at?
Yeah, these ones up here nice, though. Take out for you. That's for him. Her, whoever that is. Ah! Ow, you bit me. Yeah, this is the last amount of food I got. Look at the floor. Let me look at the floor real quick, y'all.
I got one. Who gonna sit? Sit. Sit.
Man, you know these goats don't know how to
Sit.
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 Man, the goats don't know how to sit.
Here. Treehouse, y'all.
That number is tree. And holes in the tree.
How you enjoying the treehouse?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Cause it's ready to a spider web. I did a spider web on my face.
No. In the treehouse, we got some good pictures up there, y'all. Trinity found this play area, this playground area. Let's see what it's about. Okay, okay.
They got a trampoline right here.
That's wow. Now that's amazing. I wonder if I could get on that trampoline.
Nah. I seen that trampoline that dirty. I don't know where I want to go. Come on, baby. Yeah, I don't know where we going. Oh, this way. Are you supposed to go up here, Mom?
I hope so.
Cause it's boring.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's supposed to give you that view over there. I'm ready to go. We went the wrong way, Mom. We went the wrong way. I think we're supposed to go in there.
Oh, what?
Echo!
Ah,
I'm supposed to go in here.
go.
No, I want to go by myself.
How you ain't going by yourself?
I'm scared to go by
I
myself.
got your back. You got my front, I got your back.
I got your back. What's over there?
Nothing much.
Woo! Stairs, man. It's hard to come up here. There ain't nothing but what the playground was there. You got this one. Wait, how long get down? Get our butt gonna burn.
I can't slide down.
I'm
Not
gonna
with
walk
this dress
down.
I got on.
You gonna walk down. Woo! That's drop too. I ain't doing that. We're gonna have to climb back down. I ain't doing that. Unless we jump from right here to over there.
No.
I can do it.
No. Too
Well,
dangerous.
Well, how supposed to do that? This is all dangerous.
It is more dangerous.
Woo! Ow! But hold on to the wall.